All right, so say you have a pinch pot and you want to get it a little bit taller. Here's what I would do. So here's my pinch pot. You can't get much bigger than, a medium size. I'm going to actually roll out a coil, and you can probably guess where I'm going here. I'm going to attach it. I want to flatten it a little bit, and then I need to score and slip, right? So I'm going to score my coil, score the lip of my cup or whatever this pinch pot is going to be, add some water and rescore to create slip, or of course if you have slip you can use that. Now this is before I've really refined my shape, right? Now I didn't measure, so I do have a gap, so I'm just going to fill that in by scoring and attaching this piece. If you make a longer coil, you can cut it to size. So here now I need to blend this in. So first I'm going to kind of press it down so that it starts to really bond at those score lines. So I'm just gently pressing down. You have to be careful that you're not really pushing your piece in. And now I want to support the inside rim, right, with my finger, and I'm sliding my thumb downward a little bit so you can see I'm just starting to smush that clay down. This is blending. And I like to do this incrementally, so I'll do it a little on the outside, then I'll go do a little on the inside, and I'll kind of go back and forth. I did leave my coil fairly thick because I know I need to blend it, and it also allows me to then pinch it further to extend the height of my coil without adding a new one right away. Now I'm going to go back and kind of use the side of my thumb to further smooth and blend this. So I'm really making it so this coil is fully joined together. You can't quite tell where they are attached. And then this is it. So if you're happy with the height here, great. If you wanted to, you could always continue to add and build.